You know, when it's January, February, you get a few nice days, and then it turns cold. You're like, whatever. In March, like mid-March, when you go back to cold, it hurts more, right?
I definitely agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like on the backside of this warm spell, we are, really going to feel it. I think our blood's going to thin out a little bit, and we're going to have a tough time these next couple of weeks, beginning this weekend. Yesterday's high is not bad. Freiburg, Berlin, New Hampshire. Yeah, Berlin, New Hampshire, way up north, 50 degrees. A lot of Maine stayed in the 40s yesterday. That was all because of the wind direction. Anytime you get wind off the water this time of the year, the ocean water is a lot colder, and it takes on that characteristic, so we struggle a little bit. That's going to be the case again today, but the air mass working in is a lot milder than the one that was with us yesterday. So I think our temperatures will still achieve 50, if not higher, in many Maine towns and communities. Look at the numbers this morning. I'm not too concerned, except for maybe up in the mountains. There might be some black ice here, definitely refreezing going on, and there was a lot of melting yesterday afternoon. And there might be a touch of frost on some windshields, Lewiston, Auburn, Augusta, Waterville communities too. Elsewhere, Bangor 37, Portland 37. It looks like it rained last night. It didn't. It didn't. It's just that the ground is sweating right now. It's cold, colder than the air around it, and therefore you get condensation, and it looks like, it poured for a little bit last night. There might even be some puddles out there, but it's not the case. All right, there's the cold front. First one doesn't really do any damage. The second one, though, behind it, yeah, it drops our temperatures big time for the weekend. Mostly cloudy start. There's going to be a little filtered sunshine early this morning and at times as we approach the middle of the day, but we'll be battling some decks of clouds throughout the day. It's not going to be as sunny as yesterday was. We had that deep blue sky. It was stunning. It also will be getting a little breezy, and again, a south to southwest wind direction adds a little chill to the air, and I'm especially talking about the mid-coast and the down east coast. You're not getting to 50 degrees in Bar Harbor. You're not doing it in Rockland. You're probably not doing it in Wiscasset either. Even some communities around Casco Bay, like the Four Sides, Falmouth, Cumberland, on up into Yarmouth, Cousins Island, you're not getting to 50 degrees either. But Portland at the Jetport will. That south-southwest wind will be more of a land direction, so that's better. And then certainly in York County, we're getting to 60 degrees, if not slightly higher. And notice interior Maine. Even the Central Highlands doing really well. 52 Millinocket and 52 in Greenville. Enjoy it. I hope you're outdoors all day long. Now, tomorrow's going to be beautiful too, and we'll still be warm and sunnier as well. But on Saturday morning, the first front comes through. Temps drop 20 degrees on Saturday from about 60 to 40. And then on Sunday, the second front comes through. They drop another 10 degrees down to about 30. And then on Monday, we're in the 20s as the big core of Arctic air starts to work in. And along with winter's temperatures returning, we'll actually see a little bit of snow at times this weekend too. We're going to have a wave of snow showers. Every time this cold air kind of punches in, it kicks off a snow shower or squall. We'll see one Saturday morning early, and then some flurries and snow showers around on Sunday too. And while there might be just some thin coatings for most of us, the mountains are going to pick up 1 to 3, maybe even slightly more if some of those snow squalls get really intense Saturday morning. All right, gale watches are up tomorrow night. Today it's a little gusty out there with winds out of the southwest and choppy seas 3 to 5 feet. Partly to mostly cloudy today, but spring warmth, highs in the 50s. Tomorrow's sunnier and a balmy afternoon with highs 55 to 60. And then on Saturday, it'll be bright, but it'll be colder, around 40. That wind kicks up too. Sunday's blustery, chilly out there with some flurries. Monday, just rude cold. I mean, we're in the 20s. That's like February stuff, and just marginally better for the middle of next week. Next potential storm system would be Wednesday, and that would probably be rain or snow depending on how cold we can get. So that's something that we're watching on the long term.
If we're going to get it, let's get a little bit of snow, make the snowmobilers happy, you know, and then let that be the last one.
Fingers crossed.
Right.
Your mouth to Mother Nature's ears. That's what it is.
Right, right.